All right, everybody. This is how I made $900 day trading the Nasdaq today. So we took it. This stupid thing. We took it on three accounts, like I have been doing the past couple of days. So yeah, you can see here evaluation. We have three copy traded evaluations, 300 on each one. Oh, now looking back at this, that sucks. I could have held. Oh man, that's annoying. Okay, so let's get into this trade recap here. So coming into the day, there were a couple of trades that I wanted to take that I just missed. Pre-market, we swept out highs up here, and then close to market open, there was this 5-minute inverse. It was a very clean inversion. I just did not take it. I wasn't even on the charts because I had class, so that's why I couldn't take that inversion, but it was clean. I don't know if I would have taken it just because it was pretty early, but it was still a good trade. And then later on in the day, at like 11, ES took these lows. We put in this SMT. And then I was literally about to take this trade. My finger was on the buy button, but the reason I didn't is I would have taken it here, stops would have been here, and take profit here. And then I waited for a retrace, but this risk reward is not good. And it already hit my break even, so I just could not take this trade, which sucks. But it obviously ended up working out, targeting this hourly high, 5-minute inverse model, but I didn't take it. And then we took out this hourly high, and then we had a really nice 5-minute inversion right here. I entered off the 5-minute inversion. Break even was actually right here. This is where I went break even. And then I was targeting, pretty simple. I was just targeting equilibrium of this price range, which is how I like to trade. It was about a 1-to-1 risk reward. And since the reason I only made 300 per account is because ES ended up filling equilibrium before NQ did. And so, yeah, I just closed the trade there. Low key, I should have held like first. Yeah, low key should have held. I don't know why exactly I closed. I know it makes somewhat sense why I closed, right? Because like my objective, right, my goal with this trade is equilibrium, and then when ES takes equilibrium, it could push both indexes higher. So there's some reasoning behind it. But yeah, pretty content with what I did. So executions. Right, we sold here, took profit, closed. Obviously, I closed like right here because ES took it. I do think I could have easily, because I could have held. Oh man, that's annoying. Could have done this, but I didn't because the whole equilibrium thing. But not really too mad about what I did today. Essentially, was there like an unfilled gap? No, not even. Maybe I would have targeted this unfilled 5-minute down here. Maybe. But yeah, this was a trade, not a bad trade. 5-minute inverse model. If you guys, I might make a video explaining how I trade. But basically, I trade basically just what I know, right? I know everything. I know a lot, right? I trade what I know, which is basically just like, I'll trade a continuation if that's what's in play for the day, right? If the day is trendy, like yesterday, where we have a draw on liquidity, I'll look for a continuation model if we have a strong draw, and I'll look to enter off of a retracement, and then blah blah blah, and then if we take out some drawn liquidity, I can look for not a reversal, but like a rebalance, because after we take out some major highs or something like this, I would expect it to just retrace a little bit, and then some like this. That's pretty much the way I trade those two. But yeah, I could have held this. Obviously, had the right bias and everything, had the right execution, the right idea. If I'm being honest, bro, I know where the market's going pretty much every single day. Executing is where it gets difficult, but this was good execution, good trade management. I'm up 300 per account. The account is at like plus 1,000. so like a third of the way past. I'm going to continue to just trade it how I should be, trade these accounts, and yeah, and I would say if they're not passed in 2 weeks, then I'll probably just try to like pass it. I'll just probably try to not. I'll probably just completely over leverage just to pass and maybe take some scalps or whatever just to get these passed. But yeah, I don't really want to spend more than 2 weeks on the evals, so it makes sense in my head. But I'm trading pretty well on them so far, trading really well. What do we got? So far as we just have, this is basically what my week has been. We're right now out around $1,000 on the week. Well, technically it's a lot more, right? Technically, if we're going to count all three, that's why I say I made $900 because it's 300 times 3. So yeah, technically it is that, right? We're up 3,000 on the week so far. So 2 for 2 on the week. We're 7 for 9, right? Sorry, we're 7 for 10 on the month so far. So wait, no. 7 for 10 or 8 for 11. I don't know. I'm kind of now. Just this video is kind of gone pointless, but I'm doing really well. So that's the main point. I'm doing really well. But yeah, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.